Hi, I'm Jay, and today I want to talk to you about some of the Super Clean family of products. Let's take a look. Over here we have the Tough-Task Cleaner-Degreaser. It's available in a spray bottle, as you see here, or an aerosol can. Sometimes that works better for certain applications where you need to spray stuff. You'll know which one is best based on your particular scenario. And we also have the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner over here, great for all different types of wheels on your car. You can do your tires too. We're gonna try that one out first, so let's go do it. You can tell these wheels are pretty filthy. The brakes on this car are very dusty for whatever reason, and it's unsightly. Everybody likes a clean car. The Super Clean all-wheel cleaner is 4 really easy steps. First step, spray it on. Next step, wait 1 to 2 minutes. Third step, brush it. Fourth step, hose it off. Couldn't be easier than that. So let's go ahead and spray this down. So there we are right there. That looks pretty good. And I'm just going to hit the tire as well. I'll go around there. That should be fine right over there. So now we wait 1 to 2 minutes. Now we're going to brush it. You can use any brush you want. I happen to have these, which are really nice. They go in a drill, and they go right in the openings there. And I have another one here I can do the tires with. There we are. So now we're going to go ahead and hose that off right over here. So let's see what it looks like after all that. Well, it looks like this is going to need a second application, but these wheels are really bad. So let me hit this one more time, and then we'll hose it off again. There's the second application. Let's hose that off. Definitely getting there, but see that? I need to just wipe that with a cloth to get all the residual off. Let me do that. So there you go, for a quick job, just for demonstration. That did an excellent job all around. If I put some more time and effort into it, this would come absolutely perfect. But you got to realize this car is 16 years old. But if it did this good on a 16-year-old car, imagine what it could do for a new car. This old relic's been sitting around for a while, not being driven. Take a look at how filthy that is. So let's go ahead and spray that down with the Super Clean Tough-Task Cleaner-Degreaser and see how that does. Once again, you just sort of spray it on. There you go, a nice coat on that. There we are. We'll leave that sit for a couple of minutes and then we'll hose it off. So there we are. I've let that sit for a while. You can see the foam has turned, brownish, picking up the dirt and that. So let's go ahead and hose that down and see what we get. Here's the cloth I had earlier, and while it has some dirt on it, if I could just dry it off a little bit. Right in this area here, you can tell That looks great. Of course, it's wet, so it's glossy. That'll, of course, dry up, and it'll be a flat black like it always was. But it won't be filled with dirt, and there really isn't any other dirt on this cloth that I picked up, except for all that brown brake dust from the wheel. Take a look at that. It's dry to the touch. In fact, it's squeaky clean. Very nice job. That looked really, really filthy before, and that cleaned it up like nobody's business. It's very seldom today that you find a product that really lives up to its name. And indeed, both of the items I cleaned did, in fact, come out super clean. This is great stuff. The aerosol spray worked fantastic. The wheel cleaner worked great. Again, this is also available in a spray bottle like this, if that's better suited to your particular task. I've seen these used in a lot of car restoration channels on YouTube and other platforms as well. A lot of people are using it. I've been using it for a couple of years now, as a matter of fact, and it's an excellent product all around. You can find super clean products at many of your automotive parts stores, such as Advance Auto, Napa, O'Reilly's, things like that. You can typically find these products available. I'm also going to leave a link in the video description to Super Clean's website, where you can check out the entire family of Super Clean products. I thank you very kindly for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.